myself Prayag Patel, working as assistant professor in IT ICT department of LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now in today's video lecture, I will discuss about the fail and cut predicate in Prolog. So how cut and fail predicate will work in Prolog we discuss in this lecture. Now first thing is backtracking or fail predicate. So here why we use the fail predicate and what is the process of the fail predicate we discuss first. Now first consider the following program without using the fail predicate. First we understand the one program without fail predicate and after that we understand this using the fail predicate. Same program will be understood using the fail predicate. Now first statement is likes Prakash X, means Prakash likes X. Here next right side of the statement portion is edible X, taste X sweet, means first we check the right side of portion, X is edible and X taste is sweet, then Prakash likes X. Now next statement is chocolates taste sweet. Next statement, toffees taste sweet. Next statement, God taste bitter. Next, chocolates is edible. Next, toffees is edible. Next, God is edible. Now our next question is, what is our goal? What is the resultant state? So for resultant state we ask the one question to the system like Prakash likes X. So what is the value of X? Our main goal is find the value of X. So we give the question to the system is like this, Prakash likes X. So what is the value of X? Now for that how we can find the value of X? So first we check the like Prakash X statement. So first statement is Prakash likes X. So match this statement. So execute this statement. Now in first statement we have a two portion, left portion and right portion. So first we check the right side of portion. If right side portion is satisfied, then left portion is also satisfied. So if their condition is applied, so first we check the if condition. If X is edible and X taste is sweet, then Prakash likes X. So meaning of the first statement is like this. So first we check the edible X. Now for the edible X we match the first match rule of edible. So here three possibility for the edible chocolates, edible toffees and edible God. So these three are possible way for the edible, but which one is the first rule out of these three rules? So first rule is edible chocolates. So we select the first rule, edible chocolates. Now what is the value of X according to edible X? First choice is chocolate. So X equal to chocolate. Now check the next statement. So next statement is taste X sweet. So we already discussed the value of the X equal to chocolate. So match the rule taste chocolates sweet. So here match this rule as a second rule, taste chocolates sweet. So this rule is satisfied. So we can say that first edible X is satisfied and second chocolate taste sweet is satisfied. So right side portion of the first statement like Prakash X is edible X and taste X sweet. So edible X and taste X sweet both are satisfied. So we can say that value of the X equal to chocolate because Prakash likes chocolate according to this first rule. So this is an example without the fail predicate. Now here understand the same example using the fail predicate. Now first thing is here some changes in a given statement. So first statement is like this, Prakash likes X if X is edible and X taste is sweet, then write X, then NL, then fail. So we change this some in a first rule. So here change is like this. First one is a write x because we want to write the result. Next one is a NL used for the new line. So NL command used for the new line, and last one is a fail. Now how this work we understood using the example. First, while backtracking or a standard evaluation left to right, the fail predicate always fails, as the name implies. Means here in any statement evaluation we perform the operation from left to right, and fail predicate always fails. So if the statement is not satisfied, then result is a fail. Next one is a fail predicate returns all the possible answers one after another. So basically fail predicate used for find the each and every possibility, find the each and every options. We have added a new item called the fail, which effectively return all the possible answers one after the others. After the value of x has been bound to chocolates, we already find the value of x equal to chocolate in our previous example. So after finding the value of x equal to chocolate, the next thing it encounters is a write x. So write x used for displaying or writing the chocolates, which writes the currently bound value of x equal to chocolate. Now next is NL. So NL force a new line. NL is used for new line. Finally, fail force the prologue engine to imagine that the right hand side is not true throughout all the process. So here after the NL, next command is fail, and fail tell the prologue engine that right side of portion is not true. So no need to check the right side portion of the fail command. So fail command basically cut the right side portion of your program. So here use the fail for that purpose. Now right side portion is not true through all the previous clauses have succeeded in find an appropriate value of x. So find the remaining value of x according to your next statement. Now consider the same program using the fail. So first statement is Prakash likes x if x is edible, x taste is sweet, write x and new line and fail. Now same all the statements are here. First taste chocolate is sweet, goat taste is bitter, then toffee taste is sweet, then edible chocolate, then edible toffee, then edible goat. Now same question is here. Prakash likes x. So what is the value of x? Now for that we check the process from right side of the first statement, because here we first match the likes Prakash x. So this statement match with the first statement Prakash likes x. So right side of this particular first statement is edible x. So first check the edible x rule, and first match rule is edible chocolates. So here consider this rule as a chocolate and value of x equal to chocolate. Now check the second statement, taste x sweet. So value of the x equal to chocolate, so match the rule chocolate taste sweet. So here second rule is this chocolate taste is sweet. So this rule also satisfied because this is a fact. Now next is write x. So write x used for write your result x. So x is chocolate. So here write x equal to chocolate in goal state. Now next is NL. NL used for new line. So in resultant state, in goal state, your command, your cursor is at the next line. Now next command is fail. Now fail command, what is the process for the fail command? Here whenever the fail command is occurs, then meaning of that is backtrack on your first statement. Means backtrack on the edible x, because right side portion of the fail command is not satisfied anytime. So first edible x. So next find the next solution, next edible value of the x. So we already consider the first as an edible chocolate. Now next edible is edible toffees. So check for the toffees. Now next command is taste. Now value of the x equal to toffees. Now check the taste x sweet. Now x equal to toffee. So toffee taste sweet. So check this command and check the fact according to toffees. So third statement is toffee taste sweet. So satisfy this statement? Yes. Then we write the x. So write x equal to toffees. Now next is new line. So move to the next line and next command is fail command. So fail command backtrack on the first line. So backtrack on the edible x once again. So what is the value of the x for the next statement? So check the new value for the edible x. So last statement edible got is a third statement, last statement for the edible. So consider the value of x equal to got. Now check the command taste x sweet. So for the taste x sweet, we consider x equal to God. So God taste sweet. This is our requirement. So check the taste command. Taste in God. This is a statement for the God. So taste God bitter. So here sweet and bitter is conflict meaning. So not match this particular statement. X taste is sweet because God taste is bitter, not a sweet. So that's why we can say that this is not satisfied. So stop the process for that particular. And after that, no any remaining rule for the edible is available. So last statement is false because after the value of x equal to chocolate and x equal to toffees, no any further availability for the x equal to anything. So we write the false. So simple fail command used for find the all the possibilities for the anything. So Prakash likes chocolate and toffees, not like goat. So this is a simple example for the fail predicate. Now next predicate is cut predicate. So in cut predicate, cut written using an exclamatory mark, this symbol used for the cut. Cuts from a way of preventing backtracking. So basically cut used for the preventing of the backtracking process. Imagine that would happen if we burn the bridge on a river after crossing it. Means in one river, one bridge are there. So after crossing the river, burn the bridge. Then what happened? It would not be possible for us to return to find an alternate path if required. So after crossing the river, bridge is not available. So cut that particular bridge. That's why we cannot move to the backside. We cannot perform the backtracking process because bridges are not available now. So it is best used to prevent unwanted backtracking. So whenever we require to stop the backtracking process or prevent the backtracking process, then we can use the cut. So basically cut used for the preventing the backtracking. After crossing the particular cut command, we cannot backtrack on the previous command. So this is a use of cut. And basically fail used for the stop the process of the right side of the portion. So basically these two commands used for that purpose. Now understand the cut command using one example. So here without using cut, we first understand the problem or example, then after we understand using the cut. Now first thing is car Etios black 45000. So basically here given example for the car, color of the car, amount or price of the car and name of the car. So here all the available cars is like this. Car Etios black 4,50,000. Car I10 color is silver 3 lakh. Car I20 silver 4 lakh. Car Swift black 2 lakh. Now next is get car color cost less than, then car name color and cost, and cost less than new line write name. So this is your last command. Now what is the goal for them? So goal is get car black 2,50,000. So here we want to get the name of the car which price is 2,50,000 or less than, and color is black. So find this name of the car. So for that first we check the first statement, get car. So here this get car equal to color, cost less than. Then in this particular statement, right portion of this statement is car name, color, cost. So name is not available, but color and cost is available. So color equal to black and cost equal to 2,50,000. So find the color as a black and cost as a your particular cost. So here first value is Etios black and cost is 450,000. But what is the problem here? Here first condition is satisfied, car name, color and cost. So car equal to Etios black 4500. Now after that second condition is cost less than, cost less than. So here cost equal to 4,50,000 and cost less than equal to 2,50,000. So this condition is not satisfied. So we backtrack to find the next solution. So backtrack on the first line, car name, color, cost. So here next car is I-10 but color is not black. So move to the next, move to the next. Now next one is a car Swift black 2 lakh. So for that we select this, then check the condition, cost less than, cost less than. So cost equal to 2 lakh, cost less than equal to 2,50,000, because here we write the cost less than value 2,50,000. So this condition is satisfied, yes. Then write the name of the car. So name of the car equal to Swift. So here basically we move the car function more than one time and find the your desired value. So here we can perform the backtracking more than one times, but when we use the cut, then we cannot perform the backtracking. So using the cut, same example is here. So all the line is same. Now only one change is there. Between the car and cost less than, we write the one command is cut command. So here in this line, last one statement is a cut. So your command is get car, color, cost less than if car name, color, cost and cut statement and cost less than and new line and write name. Now our goal is get car black 2,50,000. So here according to get car command we move on this statement, get car, color, cost less than. So here color equal to black and cost less than equal to 2,50,000. Now for this statement first we check the right side portion. So first statement for the right side portion is car name, color, cost. So first match the car. So car equal to first statement, car Etios black 4,50,000. Now after that this statement is satisfied because this rule are available, car rule are available. So till now we not compare the cost and cost less than, we only compare the car statement, car fact. So car fact is available first, car Etios, color is black and amount is 4,50,000. After that one command is cut command. So after that your car is fixed, first statement is fixed, you cannot change the Etios. So next statement is cost less than, so cost equal to 4,50,000 and cost less than equal to 2,50,000. This condition is not satisfied, so we want to backtrack. But what is the problem? Here backtracking is not possible because previous statement of the cost less than equal to cut command. So cut command prevent the backtracking. So first select the car Etios black 4,50,000, then check condition 4,50,000 less than 2,50,000 is not satisfied. So try to backtracking but prevent due to the cut. So our answer is false. No any car we found according to this condition because of the cut command. But already there are one car available Swift, but not find because of the cut command. Now next is one example of the cut. So here already given data is like this: A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So these all are considered as a fact. These all are true. Now next statement is go X, Y, Z, AX and BY, cut and CJ. Now what is our goal? Goal is go X, Y, Z. Means we want to find the value of X, Y and Z. So here according to go statement, go X, Y, Z, first is right side portion is AX. So first find the AX. So here value for the A is 3, 1, 2 and 3. But we match only first one. If one is satisfied, then no need to check for the second. So here first one is a X equal to 1. Then BY. So for the B1, B2, B3, three possibilities are there. But first one is a B1. So Y equal to 1. Now after that cut option. So cut prevent the backtracking. So whenever we fix the value of X and Y equal to 1, then after the execution of the cut, we cannot change the value of X and Y. So now next statement is CZ. So for this CZ, check the value of Z. Value of Z equal to C1, C2 and C3. So first one is a C1. So we write the Z equal to 1. Now after that, completion of the first statement, we perform the backtracking. We want to find the another rule. And for finding the another solution, we write the semicolon in our program. So here we write the Z equal to 1, then after we write the semicolon, means we want to find the another solution. So for the another solution, here X and Y is not changeable because after the finding the value of X and Y, we put the cut. So after cut, we cannot change the value of X and Y. Now for the Z occurs after the cut. So backtracking is possible for the Z only, not for the X and Y. So another solution is X equal to 1, Y equal to 1 and Z equal to 2 because another solution for Z is available and we can perform the backtracking for Z only. Now next one is a X equal to 1, Y equal to 1 and Z equal to 3. After that, no any remaining possibilities are there. So we write the false. So this is a simple example for the cut. Now compare the cut and fail predicate. What is the difference between cut and fail predicate? Understand using the one example. Now here first one is AX, if BX and cut and CX and fail. So here first we write the BX, then cut, then CX, then fail. Now next statement is AX, if DX, then B1, then B4, then C1, C3, D4, like this. Now what is our goal? Our goal is find the AX, means value of X is our answer. Now for that, first we check the AX, and AX means first statement AX. So execute this. Right side portion of the first statement is BX. So first find the value of the BX and X equal to 1. So final the value of B1. So here X value equal to 1. After that cut. Now next value is CX. CX means C1 because here X value equal to 1 is finalized. After finalize the value of BX equal to 1, we cannot change because cut is here. So C1 is there. So already B1 is satisfied. Yes. C1 is satisfied. Yes. Then after fail. So fail predicate give the answer as a fail because here after that first statement is false. Now we check the second statement AX if DX. So find the DX value, but already value of X equal to 1. So find the D1 only. So here in given list, no any D1 rule are available, no any fact for the D1, only D4 are available. So X value equal to 4 is not possible because we already cut the BX. So here value of X is equal to 1 is not satisfied. So our answer is false. Now what is the process for the different sequence? So sequence is like AX if BX, then CX, then fail, then cut, and next AX if DX. All the remaining part is same as it is. Now what is the difference here? After fail predicate, right part of the fail is not executed. So here We write the fail predicate in second example. We write the fail predicate, then we write the cut. So cut never executed because after the fail predicate, no any statement will be executed. So move to the next line. So here for the first line we consider the B1, then C1, B1 and C1 both are satisfied. Then consider the fail. So here fail statement occurs means right side of the fail is not executed, means cut is not executed, and we perform the next line AX if DX. So for that we check the 1 A1 D1 not possible, A2 D2 not possible, D3 not possible, D4 is possible. So D4 is equal to true, so we can say that X value equal to 4. So this is a basic difference between cut and fail predicate. So in this lecture we discuss about the what is the cut predicate and what is the fail predicate using so many examples. Thank you for watching this video.